Hello everybody. I've been waiting to do this haul for a minute now. I went to Hobby Lobby and I found these deals. I got this bead set for $4.49. It was $17.99. And I just couldn't leave it in the store. I thought that was a very good deal. You guys know Hobby Lobby is my second home. Every time I can find some kind of deal, I'm going to bring it to you. I just love these colors, these greens and purples and blues. I am seeing a lot of things I can make with that. This was another bead set that I found. It's got some browns and some silver, some white. And I found that one for $3.99 and it was $15.99. And I'm thinking about making some bracelets or either some earrings with this. I'm not really sure. I haven't made up my mind. You guys comment in below and tell me what you think I should make with this. These are the two bead sets side by side. I got a variety of colors that I can make something with. Hobby Lobby was killing it with the deals. This is the next bead set that I found, and it was $15.99 as well, and I got that one for $3.99, so I thought that was a very good deal. And it has a variety of pinks and purples and greens and blues, and I can just see myself making some variety of things with this. And I think they're different sizes. They're not all the same sizes, so you know they would make some good like earrings or even some bracelets. And as you can see, I got multiples, because when you see a deal you got to hop on that, because if you had to buy this for the price that it was, like, you would be out of some money. So yeah, you guys comment below and tell me where you find your beads and craft supplies at for a good reasonable price. I think one person mentioned to me it was Bead Co. or something like that, and I think I did shop there once, and I don't know that I show it on camera, but I did find some good deals there. And this is another bead set that I had found, which were the gray, and I just got two of those. They were 99¢, and I thought that was a good deal. I continuously buy beads because I like to have a variety of beads, and it doesn't matter to me what kind. I guess I got 3 of those, but it doesn't matter to me if they're glass or clay beads or plastic beads. If they look pretty, I am pretty much going to buy them. This was another one that I found, and it was $2.74. And it's like a rainbow effect color. It's got some greens, white, and yellows in it. The red and purple and blue are my favorite. And I don't know what I'm going to make with that, but I just thought it was a nice set to have. The next beads I got were 99¢. They were $3.99, and they are round and flat and shiny. Kind of reminds me of a fish scale, but a pretty fish scale, and it's round. I love that. So I'm thinking I could make some earrings with these. I think they would string up nicely with some clear beads. I just really like the shape of them. I think anytime I get time, I'm always looking for some kind of deal. Like these were 99¢, again, and you got 2 strands of beads for that 99¢. And I like the gold in these. So it's kind of like marble, but it's a gold marble and like a beige bead. I think they would make some pretty bracelets. In the coming weeks, I'm gonna have to show you guys what I make with these beads. This was another set that I found for 99¢, and they were $3.99. And I think I could make probably some necklaces with this one, or at least one necklace with it. These beads are so pretty. I like that they're not all the same size. They're different sizes. So I think they would pair well with another type of bead. And I could make something spectacular with that. These are the beads they have in the tubes at Hobby Lobby, and they run $3.99, but this week they were having a half off deal, so I got these for half that. I know you guys are saying, how much stuff does she have in this bag? But I mean, some weeks you go in Hobby Lobby and there's absolutely no deals. And this week I just got lucky and I got a great deal. And these were $19.99 and I got them for $4.49. And as you can see, that is a really, really, really good deal, because I was looking for some of these, and I'm planning on making some necklaces with these when I get back into my resin. The next thing I got were some of these gold beads, and they were $2.99, but they were half off. They're the 4mm metallic plastic beads. Sometimes I get these to go in between some of my bigger beads, and they work well for that. I also got some silver ones, and they're the 4mm as well, and they were half off. And I think this is what, a 1200 piece set. So that was a really, really good deal. And next I got some iron-on patches. Now I've never really worked with iron-on patches, but since they were such a good price, I said, well, I'll try it, because I got some jackets sometime that I want to put some different logos and stuff on. I thought they would look pretty on, so I'm gonna try that out. Each one of these were $1.24. They were $4.99. So I think that's a good price for something like that. This is just another one of those tube beads that I got. I got quite a few of these now. I planned on making something with them, but as you can see, they were $3.99 and they were half off, so that's why I got those. And I love getting the mixed ones, so I can they're already mixed with different colors, so you can kind of just make whatever you want, and you don't have to worry about trying to make a pattern or anything. It's pretty much all mixed for you. Like that one has the pink and the green and the yellow, stuff like that. And I always try to get some solid colors as well. Next up, I got these beads. They were $3.99 and I got those for 99¢. And I thought they were a fun color, so I just decided to go ahead and get those. And I don't know what I'm gonna make with these either, but whatever it's gonna be beautiful, because I love this yellow and orange combination. I'm always looking for findings, especially at a deal. These were $5.99 and I got them for $1.49. And it's I think it's 10 pieces, 10 pieces in each one of those. So I really got a good deal on that. That's over half off. And these are heavy duty. These are not those flimsy ones that could break or anything like that. These are really the heavy duty ones, and they have the bigger ones at the bottom and the smaller ones at the top. And I use them, in different projects that I have. And so when you don't have a bail, you can always put one on by gluing on. So that's a really good deal. This is another bead I got for half off. They were $2.99, and I got I think 1 pack of these, and they're the 10mm round plastic beads. This is another pack of the bails. It's a glue-on bail, but it's the plastic ones, and as you can see, they were 99¢, and I got those for a good deal because you got 20 in there. So sometimes when you're making like kid jewelry, it goes well with that. Next up, I got these beads. They were $4.99, and I got them for $1.24. It was just 1 strand, but they are so beautiful, and I love the cut on these. Okay, you guys, this video is getting way too long, so I'm going to stop right here, and I will make a part 2 to this video. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.